Hello, this is Scott. Welcome back to my YouTube channel where I cover a variety of different data science and analytics topics. Everything from open discussion to software packages. And so this morning, I think I'm going to talk about R. Actually, I'm going to continue this series using Sarkar's book and split plot DoE visualization. All right, so let's get right to it. This will be a very short video. In fact, the next two will be very short. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to just kind of walk through a little bit of code. So hang on just a second. So what I'm going to do is this is going to be really short. It's only just a few lines of code, and then next one will be the same thing. In fact, the next one I'm just going to talk about dot plots. So if you saw that address, so this is going to be split plot visualization. This is part one, which is R61, and then R62 will be actually on dot plots. Okay, a couple minutes each. All right. So I am continuing to use this library, this lattice library. It's very early. I couldn't sleep, so excuse me. So anyway, I'm using this, and then I'm going to use this data package, NIMS, and then I'm actually going to access the Yates old split plot data. I think it's 1935 is where this data comes from, but it's used a lot for reference to split plot designs. So if you notice this command, what I just entered right here is just the data, and it's yield data for agriculture. So then I'm just going to print out that object, and this is what I get. So this is essentially the visualization of that split plot design. You can check this out, and then I can see that I have basically a 3 columns and 6 rows of data here. So I can even do a dimension, right? And then in the console of R, I see that I've got a 3 by 6 right here. All right. And then I can look at the names, the dimension names, and the dimension names here are Golden, Rain, Marvelous, and Victory. And so those are, we could see this in the right-hand panel for the plot itself. And then the blocks, right? So the blocks, there's 6 blocks in this design, 1 through 6. And so the first block down here at the bottom, and for Golden, Rain, Marvelous, and Victory. And then I can run this xtab command, and I get the actual design in the cell counts. I can do summary, which is not big of a deal. It's just another option as well. I can also summarize on just, one column of the blocks, and I can certainly print that out in a visual display, right? So now I'm focusing in, I'm zooming in on just this one part of the block design, and this is what I just printed in the console here, or using the summary command. I now visualized across. I can do things like updating, where I change the visualization, and you can see this. You can try these things out. But these are some interesting. It's an interesting way to visualize DoE design, split plot designs in particular in R. So I'm going to stop now, and then again, the next video is going to be very, very short. I'm just going to cover dot plots for those people that just have an interest in dot plot. But hopefully you can join me there. Thank you very much. I